Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Frenchopedia.
Bonjour à tous, bienvenue au Frenchopedia. Je m'appelle Shivani, votre enseignante de langue française, et aujourd'hui, on va étudier le verbe aller. Le verbe aller, which means to go. Hello everyone, welcome to Frenchopedia. I'm Shivani, your French language instructor, and today I'm going to teach you the verb aller, which means to go. So let's start. Okay, so in the previous videos, I taught you the verb être and avoir. If you haven't checked those videos out, link is in the description below. So now, we have the verb aller here. Okay, as I told you in my previous videos as well, that as per the pronom sujet, which is the subject pronouns, the conjugation differs. Okay, so now first we have je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle as our subject pronouns. Now, je vais, I repeat, je vais, which means I go. Okay. Next is tu vas, I repeat, tu vas, which is you go. Okay. Next we have il va, I repeat, il va, which means he goes. Okay. And elle va, which means she goes. So as I told you that il and elle both have same conjugations because he and she, they are third person singular. Okay. So je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va. Okay. Now these were the singular forms. Now let's move to the plural forms. We have nous allons. Now here you can see nous. S has full sound. Why? Because the next word starts with a vowel. So it is nous allons. I repeat, nous allons, which means we go. Vous allez, same. S we have to pronounce because the next word starts with a vowel. So it is vous allez, which means you go when we have to say formally or whenever we are talking about group of people. Okay, as second person plural. Now last we have ils vont. Here you will not pronounce S because it's not a vowel here. It's V. So it's ils vont, which means they go when we are talking about group of boys as third person plural. And elles vont, I repeat, elles vont. It also means the same. They go when we are talking about group of girls. Okay. And if there are group of boys and girls together, then we use il. As I told you in my previous videos, we use il. So it will be ils vont. Okay. So I repeat all the conjugations for you. Okay. On va répéter. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Okay, so here are a few examples, okay, for the conjugation of verb aller. Je vais à l'école. I repeat, je vais à l'école, which means I go to the school. Okay, je vais, I go, and à l'école is to the school. Second, nous allons au cinéma. I repeat, nous allons au cinéma, which means we go to the cinema. So nous allons will become we go and au cinéma is to the cinema. Now, next we have ils vont à la plage. Ils vont à la plage. I repeat, it's plage. Plage means beach. Okay? So they go to the beach. So it will be ils vont à la plage. Okay? So group of boys are going to the beach. So that's why it's ils vont à la plage. So I hope you have understood the concept of le verbe aller in French. If yes, so please like, share and subscribe to Frenchopedia. And don't forget to press the bell icon for further updates. Thank you.